Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to hire a professional for website on Wix.com. So guys, if you've created a website on Wix.com and now you are facing some hurdles to keep run your website, then you can take help from a professional and you can hire a professional from Wix.com. So guys, once you reach to the website and you've logged in your account, then you will see this type of window on your screen, and here you will see on the nav bar there is an option which is hire a professional. You have to click on it, and once you will click on the option, it will take you to the other tab, and here you will see these type of suggestions on your screen. Define your problem. What can a professional do for you? So if you want to design your website, then you can go with this. If you want to take care of some small tasks, then you can go with this, and you can select these option as well. So if I go with the second option, take care of some small tasks, I've clicked on it, and now I'm going to click on next. So here's some of options, and I am going to, with this second option, update my site design, and then I have to click on next. Here you have to enter the project description. If you want, then you can write in 1,000 of the words over here, and if you don't want to provide any of description over here, then you can go with this skip button. Okay, now here you have to add your full name, your email address, your language, and your phone number is optional. I am going to write my name over here, and I don't need to write my email address over here, and phone number is optional, and I am going to submit it. So these are some of professionals. I can select one of them and I can take help with them. As you can see guys, there are so many developers. You can see guys the profile of this person. You can contact them by clicking this button and fill out these boxes and then submit your project. So guys, this is how to hire a professional on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.